He asked curiously, "What separates millionaires from ordinary people? Is it luck? Is it talent? Or expensive education?" He answered calmly, "Not always. In many cases, the biggest difference is daily habits. Successful people think differently, manage time differently, and live differently." Today, we'll explore 5 powerful habits many millionaires follow every single day. And if you apply even a few of these habits, your life can completely change, he said confidently. Habit number 1, wake up early. Many successful people start their mornings before everyone else. Tim Cook wakes up before sunrise. Richard Branson also believes early mornings increase productivity. Why? Because mornings are quiet, no distractions, no social media noise. Millionaires use this time to plan their day, exercise, read, and think clearly. Most people start the day scrolling on their phones. Successful people start the day with purpose, he said seriously. Habit number 2, never stop learning. Warren Buffett reportedly spends hours reading every single day, books, business news, biographies, financial reports, because knowledge creates opportunities. The more you understand money, business, people, and technology, the more valuable you become. Even 30 minutes of learning daily can change your future, he explained powerfully. Habit number 3, protect your time. Time is more valuable than money. You can earn money back, but you can never earn time back. Elon Musk carefully schedules his day to avoid wasting time. Successful people avoid negative people, endless scrolling, and meaningless distractions. They focus on high-value activities, he said with confidence. Habit number 4, build multiple income streams. Most millionaires do not rely on only one source of income. They build businesses, investments, online brands, digital products, and assets. Robert Kiyosaki once said dramatically, "The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them." That is a completely different mindset, he said strongly. Habit number 5, stay consistent. Success does not happen overnight. Small actions repeated daily create massive results over time. Cristiano Ronaldo became successful because of discipline and consistency. Millionaires continue working, even when motivation disappears, because discipline creates results. He ended with motivation. If you truly want success, change your habits today. Wake up earlier, learn daily, protect your time, build multiple income streams, and stay consistent, because your future is built by what you do every single day.